Chapter 9, Segment 1, Hearing. Hearing is vital for survival. Speech provides the basis of social relations and transmission of knowledge. Sounds have a range of complexity. Unlike light, sounds can travel around obstacles and can be detected in the dark. Pressure waves in the air are perceived as sound. Auditory systems detect rapid changes in the intensity and frequency of vibrations in the air. Outer parts of the auditory system have been shaped through evolution and are directed into the inner parts of the brain. This is where energy of the sound is transduced into neural activity. One of the main jobs of powers of attention is to filter out unimportant noises the ear detects. The external ear captures, focuses, and filters sound. Ears are properly known as pinnae. They are distinctly mammalian characteristics and come in various shapes and sizes. Animals with auditory localization abilities have mobile ears and proprioceptors, which provide information to the auditory system about the position of the external ear. The shape of the external ear is important in identifying the direction and distance of the source of a sound. The middle ear concentrates sound energies. A collection of membrane, muscle, bone, and bone link the auditory canal to the neural receptor cells of the inner ear. The middle ear has a synaptic membrane and ossicles. The ossicles are called malleus, incus, and stapes. There are two muscles that vary in the mechanical linkage between ossicles to provide auditory perception and protect the inner ear from loud sounds. The tensor tympani and the stapes. The cochlea converts vibrational energy into waves of fluid. The structures of the inner ear convert sounds into neural activity. The cochlea is the auditory portion of the inner ear. It has three parallel channels: the scola vestibula, the scola media, and the scola tympani. The round window separates the scola tympani from the middle ear. The main compartments that convert sounds into neural activity are the organ of Corpti, made of three main parts: sensory cells, an elaborate framework of supporting cells, and the terminations of auditory fibers. The basilar membrane separates the scapula tympani from the scapula media and vibrates in response to sound. High frequencies have the greatest effect near the base, while low frequency sounds produce a larger response near the apex. Active mechanical processes in the cochlea enhance frequency discrimination. Humans can discriminate between sounds that differ in frequency of 2 Hz. OHCs fine-tune the cochlea to help discriminate frequencies. Hyperpolarization causes OHCs to straighten using Preston. Autoacoustic emissions are sounds produced by the cochlea by pushing back the eardrum. After the inner ear transduces sound waves into action potentials, auditory signals leave the cochlea and go to the brain.